Come with us as we head into the heart of Africa, the new area opening at Chester Zoo. We went for their Members Day preview and wow, it was amazing. In this area they've got plenty of animals. You've got meerkats, you've got rhinos, zebras, giraffes, there's some wild dogs, plenty more but I can't remember them all.
Inside, where all the friends are.
As you come out of the giraffe house, there's a little gift shop which has got some cuddly toys. You could buy drinks, you could buy ice creams. There's plenty of open spaces, loads of places to eat and drink. There's even a play park, loads of places to sit. Oh, and ice cream. It was so nice.
The rest.